There are 69 people currently on death row in Tennessee. This is according to the Department of Corrections.
Now, the Tennessee Supreme Court has postponed the execution dates for 4 inmates, including one from Hamilton County, to determine if the execution process is constitutional. NewsChannel 9's Betsy Golden joins us now with more. Betsy.
Well, Kim and Calvin, that's right. Chattanooga man Lee Hall was convicted in the gruesome 1991 murder of his ex-girlfriend. He was scheduled to be executed next year, but that could change. April 17th, 1991, gasoline was thrown into 22-year-old Tracy Crozier's car. She died hours later from her injuries. Her ex-boyfriend Lee Hall was sentenced to death a year later. He still sits on death row, one of 3 men from Hamilton County. His execution date was set for next year. Now the Tennessee Supreme Courts have postponed execution dates until the courts weigh in on the state's lethal injection protocol. According to officials with the Federal Public Defender's Office, pharmaceutical manufacturers have made a decision to not be involved in lethal injections. So the Department of Corrections must find other ways to get these drugs, one that many believe needs to be aired out in the courts. I asked people to read what happened to Tracy Crozier and tell me how they felt about the death penalty and lethal injection.
People might think that there's justice in that, but I don't agree. I just think that you're doing the same thing. You are being him in that scenario. You're taking a life too.
I'm not saying that I'm not sympathetic toward the victim's family. Of course I am. I mean, this is wrong. But why would you want to take the life of another individual, regardless of what they did?
Now, because of ongoing litigation, officials with the Department of Corrections could not comment, but they say the Department of Corrections stands ready to carry out the will of the court. Calvin?
Thanks, Betsy. As Betsy told us, there are 3 death row inmates from Hamilton County. The most offenders are from Shelby County.